Hello guys, how are you today? Guys, listen carefully and focus on our lesson so that you have something to learn. Alright? What we are going to study today is all about hair and scalp care. Okay? How can we maintain the cleanliness of our hair? Okay, pag-uusapin natin yan. Okay, hair and scalp care. Alright, hair care. Hair care is an overall term for hygiene and cosmetology involving the hair which grows from the human scalp and to a lesser extent facial, pubic, and other body hair. Hair care routines differ according to an individual's culture and the physical characteristics of one's hair. Hair care, meaning to say, is an overall term for parts of hygiene and cosmetology involving the hair on the human head. Hair care will differ according to one's hair type and according to various processes that can be applied to hair. All hair is not the same. Indeed, hair is a manifestation of human diversity. Hair care ibig sabihin on how you maintain the cleanliness of your hair. Ibig sabihin, yung buhok, magkakaiba yan. Magkakaiba tayo ng buhok. Merong mahaba, merong maikli, merong kulot, merong straight, merong magaspang, merong hindi. Sa ganung paraan, iba din tayo ng pamamaraan kung papaano natin ito pangalagaan. Alright, nakuha ba? To keep hair healthy, beautiful, proper attention must be given to its care and treatment. This depends on how you frequently use the hairbrush, shampoo, rinse, and hot oil your hair. It also depends on how you often manicure and pedicure your nails. Ibig sabihin, para mapanatili natin yung kalinisan, kagandahan ng ating buhok, no, dapat lagi natin yung brush, sinusuklay, binabanlawan, sinashampoo, no, hina-hot oil, nang sa ganon, mapanatili natin yung kalinisan at kagandahan ng ating buhok. Okay? It also depends on how often you manicure and pedicure your nails. Ibig sabihin, dapat lagi malinis din yung ating mga daliri sa kamay. No? Nang sa ganon, kapag hinawakan natin yung buhok natin, hindi mag-transfer yung dumi, yung germs, yung bacteria na nasa daliri natin. Nakuha ba? Kasi kapag madumi yung ating daliri sa kamay, no? Kapag hinawakan natin yung buhok natin, magta-transfer yung dumi doon, yung bacteria, yung germs. No? Magiging madumi na rin yung ating buhok. Did you get my point, guys? Okay. Now, we have different hair treatment. What are those? The first one, hot oil. What is the main purpose of hot oil? Ayan. Hot oil, a deep conditioning hair treatment, smoothing the outer layer of your hair. Some have aromatherapy, some have coconut extracts, some are specifically for colored hair, and some also are for relaxed and straightened hair. Usually done with hair steamers. Itong hot oil na ito, kung mapapansin nyo, no, it is used to smoothen your hair, to soften your hair. Ayan, pinalalambot niya, pinadudulas niya yung inyong mga buhok. Ayan. Kung mapapansin nyo, kapag ina-apply to, no, kung naranasan nyo na, meron siyang amoy. Meron siyang mabahong amoy. Okay? Some have coconut extracts. Yung mga iba kasi na ginagamit na treatment, yung treatment na yon galing sa coconut. No? Pinanases yung coconut hanggang sa maging hot oil. Alright, some are specifically for colored hair. Pwede rin siyang i-apply no? Sa mga may kulay sa buhok, no? And some are also are for relaxed and straightened hair. Ginagamit din ito, no? Para hindi lang kayo yung ma-relax, pati yung buhok nyo. Okay? At para ma-straighten yung hair, no? Usually done with hair steamers. Ginagawa itong proseso na ito kasama, gumagamit sila ng hair steamers. Ano nga ba yung hair steamers? Ito yung nilalagay sa ulo nang sa ganon, no, mag-penetrate yung init, no, yung hot oil dun sa buhok nyo. Nang sa ganon, mas maganda yung kalalabasan ng proseso. Alright? Next. Hair spa. What is the use of hair spa? What's the main purpose of hair spa? Hair spa, a treatment for the outer layer of your hair, no, and focuses on the scalp. Ayan. This kind of treatment usually are aromatic in nature to give a relaxing feel for the client. Ayan. Itong hair spa na ito, itong treatment na ito, no, nakakatulong siya sa ating scalp. Inaalis niya yung mga dumi, mga bacteria, mga germs, no, yung dandruff na kung meron man sa ating buhok. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo sa larawan, no, before and after, makikita nyo yung pinagkaiba nila, no, kapag in-apply mo yung treatment na ito. Alright? Nakaka-relax ito kapag ginagawa na siya. Lalo na kapag in-apply ito sa buhok ng client. Nakaka-relax siya. Alright? Next. Power dose or treatments that comes in a vial. What's the main purpose of power dose? Power dose, these kinds of treatments are the ones who seep inside the hair and repairing it from the inside. This treatment, you can feel the difference of the hair because it works from the inside. What does it mean? Kapag in-apply ito, no, itong treatment na ito, hindi nyo siya mararamdaman. Hindi nyo siya ma-feel. Hindi katulad sa ibang treatment na kung saan kapag in-apply siya sa buhok, mararamdaman mo, no, yung treatment. Ito, hindi mo siya mararamdaman. Kasi, yung mismong buhok na, ang mismong nagpe-penetrate dun sa treatment. Okay? That's why this kind of treatments are the ones who seep inside the hair and repairing it from the inside. Ayan, siya yung mismong nagpapanatili, no, dun sa kagandahan at kalinisan ng buhok ng isang tao. Ayan, nasa isang maliit na lalagyan siya. Okay, power dose. Alright, next. Hair cellophane or hair gloss. What is the main purpose of hair cellophane or hair gloss? What do you observe on the picture? Ayan. Hair cellophane or hair gloss, this treatment uses henna wax. Ayan, it shines and covers the outer layer of the hair. And with this kind of treatment, you can choose a color that will temporarily be in your hair approximately a month or so. Ayan, siya yung nagpapakintab. Itong treatment na ito, pinapakintab niya yung buhok ng isang tao. Nang sa ganon, mapanatili yung kagandahan ng ating buhok. Alright? And this kind of treatment, no, coats the hair and makes it very shiny. And light colors reflect will appear when you are directly hit by sunlight. Ayan, lalong-lalo na makikita mo yung kagandahan nito kapag nasinagan siya ng araw. Nasinagan siya ng sikat ng araw. Ayan, pwede kang pumili ng kahit anumang kulay na gugustuhin mo na pwedeng i-apply sa buhok mo. Ayan, that is hair cellophane or hair gloss. Tumatagal yan ng mga ilang buwan, no? para mapanatili yung kagandahan ng ating buhok. Ginagamit ito lalong-lalo ng mga babae. Alright? Next. And hair detox. Hair detox, it detoxifies and scrapes away scumes that build up in your hair from the pollutants and shampoo or gel residue left behind. This treatment involves two processes. Alright? First is the scraping away of the scumes and excess buildups in your hair. And second is the treatment replacing the necessary moisture that was lost. Ayan. Ang maganda sa hair detox, inaalis niya yung mga dumi, no? Yung mga shampoo, yung mga gel, no? Na hindi natin maiiwasan na naiiwan sa ating scalp or sa ating buhok, no? Siyempre, lalo na kapag hindi natin masyadong nababanlawan yan, no? Yung mga gel, mga shampoo, no? Na naiiwan sa ating buhok, no? Nagfo-form yan ng germs, ng bacteria, kaya ito yung sumisira sa ating scalp or sa ating buhok. Kinakailangan natin gamitin ng hair detox yan. Nang sa ganon, maalis yan, no? Mapanatili natin yung kalinisan at kagandahan ng ating buhok. Alright? And ginagamit itong hair detox na ito to maintain, no, the moisture. Nang sa ganon, fresh siya lagi. Alright? That is hair detox. Next. Comb and brush treatment. And brushing is good for the hair and scalp because it stimulates the secretion of the natural oil. This is the simplest and one of the most effective of keeping the hair and scalp in good condition. Ayan, before a shampoo serves to clear the hair of superficial dust and dirt and rid the scalp of accumulated scale of dandruff, dried wearing fluid. Before a scalp treatment, it also induces a preliminary stimulation. Okay, dapat lagi nating sinusuklay, dapat lagi nating binabrush yung ating buhok. Ito yung pinakamahalaga sa lahat. Dapat lagi natin sinusuklay yan, binabrush, nang sa ganon, maging fresh siya. No? Nang sa ganon, mapanatili natin yung kagandahan at kalinisan ng ating buhok. Alright? Next. We have tools, cosmetics, supplies, and materials used in giving hot oil treatment. And what are those? Number 1, oil. What's the main purpose of oil? Oil is a greasy liquid used as lubricant. Ayan. Anong gamit ng oil? No, ginagamit yung oil, no, to smoothen, no, our hair, to soften our hair. Ginagamit yung oil kadalasan para mapalambot yung ating buhok, para maging madulas yung ating buhok. That's the main purpose of oil. Alright? A greasy liquid used as lubricant. Alright? Number 2, cape. What is the main purpose of cape? It is used to protect the patron's clothes. Ayan, ginagamit yung cape, no? Lalong-lalo na kapag magpapa-hot oil tayo, magpapa-hair spa tayo, kapag magpapagupit tayo, ginagamit ito para hindi madumihan yung damit ng client, no? Para hindi madumihan yung damit natin. Alright? Number 3, comb. What's the main purpose of comb? Ayan. Comb is used to separate the hair and remove tangles. Ayan, ginagamit yung comb, alam nyo naman, no, sa pang-araw-araw nating pamumuhay, ginagamit yung comb para mapanatili yung kalinisan at kagandahan ng ating buhok at para maalis yung mga buhol-buhol sa ating buhok. Ayan, that's the main purpose of comb. Next, hairbrush. What is the difference between comb and hairbrush? Comb is used to separate the hair and remove tangles, while hairbrush is used to loosen dandruff and remove dirt. Ayan. Ito yung magandang gamitin kapag gusto nating alisin, no, maalis yung dandruff at dumi sa ating buhok, sa ating scalp. Hindi naman maiiwasan na magkaroon tayo ng dumi sa ating buhok at sa ating scalp. Ito yung magandang gamitin nang sa ganoon maalis yun. Alright? Next. Enamel bowl. What's the main purpose of enamel bowl? Okay, it is used for heating the oil. Ang ginagamit ito guys, no, kapag ipapainitan mo yung oil, no, na i-apply dun sa buhok ng isang tao. Okay, lalagyan ng tubig yan, tapos ilalagay mo doon yung oil, no, na nakalagay sa isang lagayan. Nang sa ganon ma-penetrate yung init. Alright, next. Number 6, plastic cup. What's the main purpose of plastic cup? And plastic cup, it is used to cover the head after applying hot oil in order to produce heat during scalp treatment. Dahil kapag na-apply na yung treatment sa ating buhok, nilalagay yung plastic cup na yan. Nang sa ganon, mag-penetrate, no, tumalab lalo yung treatment na kung saan nilagay sa ating buhok. Alright? Next. Towel. Towel, it is used for drying the hair. Ito yung kadalasan natin ginagamit, no, para matuyo yung ating buhok. Ayan. Alam naman natin lahat yan, no? And number 8, cotton swab. It is used to apply heated oil on the hair and scalp. Ito yung ginagamit natin, no, yung cotton swab, para lagyan ng heated oil, no, yung ating scalp, yung ating buhok, para maalis yung dumi. Alright? Next, number 9, bigger bowl. Ayan. The main purpose of bigger bowl is used to contain hot water to bear the coconut oil. If using the coconut oil for treatment. Ayan, ginagamit ito, no, kapag lagay mo yung dyan, yung oil. Tapos, ilalagay mo dun siya sa enamel bowl para mapainitan siya. Ayan. Maliit na lagayan lang yan, no? Diyan mo ilalagay yung oil, tapos ilalagay mo sa enamel bowl, no, para painitan yon. Alright? Tapos i-apply mo yon sa buhok or sa scalp ng client. Alright? Next. Last one. Heating cup. What's the difference between plastic cup and heating cup? Ayan, plastic cup used to cover the head after applying hot oil in order to produce heat during scalp treatment. Heating cup, an electrical device worn by the patron on his or her head to provide heat for proper distribution of oil during scalp treatment. Ayan, ginagamit ito, no, inilalagay ito dun sa ulo ng client kapag na-apply na yung treatment. Nang sa ganon, mas tumalab yung treatment na nilagay dun sa buhok. Alright, ang pinagkaiba nila ng plastic cup, yung plastic cup, plastic siya. O itong heating cup, electrical device. Alright, yan yung magandang gamitin nang sa ganon, no, tumalab lalo yung treatment na ilalagay dun sa buhok ng client. Alright? And that's all for today, guys, no? And I hope you have learned a lot, no? Maasa ako na meron kayo natutunan sa araw na ito at ipagpapatuloy natin ang ating lesson sa susunod na meeting. Alright guys, thank you for listening and good day.